Hi, this is Kumar Kaushal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to trade silver against US dollar in the easiest way possible to consistently pull points out of the market. I'm going to be telling you why silver was screaming at us that it is going to be falling, and I'm going to show you why we took this trade here, the analysis behind it, the reasoning behind it, and how you can do it over and over in the market. Not only just on silver, but other commodities and even the forex market. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, we've got silver against US dollar. I'm going to pull up the daily chart on the left and the 4-hour chart on the right. The first thing we notice is that the regression line is pointing down. And we had price come up right up to the regression line right at this point and has now started to decline. This point was also a significant high to the left. And what you'll also see that we've got a minor support and resistance line here. And you can see where price has respected this line multiple times. So we had all of this going on, which gave us a downward bias from the daily chart. We can see that this high here is this high right here on the 4-hour time frame. So if I extend out the 4-hour time frame, this is the high on the daily time frame that was hitting the regression line. What we've got here is a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder like formation. Not the greatest head and shoulders formation, but nevertheless we did have a head and shoulders like formation here, which was just giving more juice to the downward bias. Now, if we take this down to the 15-minute time frame, you can see the head and shoulders that I just outlined on the 4-hour time frame is this left shoulder here, this head, and this right shoulder here. So here with the right shoulder that was forming, I just want to show you this move from this low up to this high. If we look at the move from this low up to this high here, we can see that we had a harmonic vibration with this move right here. Not only that, we also had that harmonic vibration with this move right here from this low up to this high. So at this point here, we had a harmonic vibration going on in silver, getting us very interested in this chart. And what we want to do from this point is to look for more reasons to get in for a short. So let's see what that reasoning is. Before we do that on the lower time frame, what I also want to point out is we have an A, B, C, D formation right here. So it was an AB equals CD formation that was coming up right near this area here as well. Right where that vibration, that harmonic vibration move was ending. So although this isn't exactly an AB equals CD, we've got a D point that is in the vicinity of this harmonic vibration. So it's just another thing to notice here. Let me put the 15-minute time frame on the left and the 5-minute time frame on the right. And what you can see is that this high right here is this high right here on the 5-minute. So after that harmonic vibration point here, we wanted to see what else is going on here. We wanted to wait patiently for that right time to enter. Because what we've got so far is all well and good, but I always like to hone in and we want to look for that precise entry point. So if you see here, what we got was an A, B, C, D. This was an actual AB equals CD. Not only that, but we had that D point come in at the 786 Fibonacci retracement. So we had a nice Gartley formation going on there. Now, if you don't know much about Gartley formations, I teach that extensively in my Trade to Success Academy course. And if you want to learn more about that, just simply click on the link in the description down below. And that will take you over to my no-cost masterclass where I delve in deep into the way I trade. So you can learn all of my tips and tricks there. And you can also learn about Trade to Success Academy too. Now, coming back to the trade, we also had a triple top-like formation right here. Now, of course, it's not perfect, but we're never really going to get everything aligning perfectly. This was just something nice to notice where we had that Gartley formation come in, and we also noticed that we had a triple top like formation going on at that point too. So this high here on the 5 minute is this high right here. And what we also then got was a very nice MTF 270X entry right here. And if you missed that one, we also had another MTF 270X entry right here. Not only that, but if we look here on the 5 minute, and if I extend out a trend line right here, you can see that we had price come up to this area here, which was the basis of drawing our trend line. And then we had price come right back up to that trend line right here. But look at what happens here on the 15 minute. So this point right here is this point right here. And you can see that we've got a really nice interaction right on the regression line there. Not only that, but we have a beautiful MTF 270X entry right here too. So even if you missed the first few entries, you still had a really nice entry in this area, which nicely coincided with the regression line hit and the trend line hit. All of these things coming in together, screaming for us to be taking a short. Plus 50 pips so far, going strong, over 7-1 in risk reward so far. And let's see what else the market gives us. So if you're interested in the way I trade, simply click on the link in the description down below. And that will take you over to my no-cost masterclass where I delve in deeper into these concepts and show you how you can replicate this type of trading. Also, if you like the way I broke down this trade, then it'll be great if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell notification so you're notified next time I upload my next video. Also, drop a comment down below and let me know if you can see any other shorts that you could have taken right here on the 5 or the 15-minute chart. Let's see if you can notice that entry. So even on top of the entries I've pointed out here, also drop a comment down below and let me know whether you caught this trade or not. Where did you hesitate? Did you pick up all of these points when you did your analysis? And of course, if you want to discuss any aspect of this trade analysis, drop me a comment down below and I'd love to open up the discussion with you. So let's go over the basis of this trade. On the daily time frame, we had a really nice regression line hit with a very nice significant level to the left right at that price. We also had a support and resistance level right at that price too. We had a head and shoulders like formation on the 4-hour time frame. We had harmonic vibration on the 15-minute time frame right at this level here. We also had an AB equals CD in this vicinity. On the 5-minute, we had an AB equals CD right here, which was a nice 786 Gartley. We had a triple top like formation. We had multiple MTF 270X entries on the 15-minute, and we also had one on the 5-minute, with the 5-minute MTF 270X nicely coinciding with a regression line hit and a trend line hit. All of this coming together for beautiful short entries, banking lots of points and great risk reward. Now, if you're interested in my MTF 270X entry method, which is by far the most powerful entry setup I've ever discovered, simply click on the link in the description down below, which will take you over to my no-cost masterclass where I will reveal everything. So guys, that's it for this trade. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.